Not only can you install a sump pump in a finished basement, we would highly recommend you install a sump pump in a finished basement, because even for a house or a homeowner says, hey, I've never had water in my basement, it doesn't take but one time, and your finished basement, which you could have literally spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on, if not at least tens of thousands of dollars on, can then all be ruined. And they may not be covered by insurance. So your sump pump is your insurance. So we highly encourage you to install a sump pump. There's even in larger homes, we've installed 2 sump pumps on either corner to ensure that the finish is ultimately protected. And the best part about KC Pier, when you work with us in terms of installing water management techniques like a sump pump, we also have other tools that will monitor that basement. We have a product called KC Pier ShipShape, which will pair with your sump pump, and it monitors active water penetration, humidity, and temperature. It's hooked onto your phone, so it's a real-time app, and it has alerts that can go off when water temperature and humidity may reach extremes. We also monitor this in our office as well, so you get 2 sets of eyes monitoring another large piece of your investment, which is going to be this nice finished basement that is to come. So when it comes to sump pumps, we absolutely encourage them and really highly recommend, if not require them, in a finished basement, because it is your insurance piece to install, knowing that your future investment in your basement, which you're most likely going to spend a lot of time in, is going to be overall protected.